Our project is about a fire alarm system. It consists of 3 input sensors and 3 outputs. The input sensors are the temperature sensor, a smoke detector, and a force sensor. The outputs are a buzzer, a LED, and a servo motor, a fan. My part is mainly about the temperature sensor. It works as follows, that when the temperature exceeds a certain threshold, the system starts working, the buzzer produces sound, the LED is on, and all of these connections are done through pin A1 on the Arduino board, the ground, and the 5 volts. And this is how the system works. When the temperature exceeds a certain threshold, the buzzer will start now working. The LED is on, and the buzzer produces a sound, as you can see. And all of these connections are done through pin A1 on the Arduino board, the ground, and 5 volts. And now I'll be leaving Shrifa to speak to you about how the smoke sensor works.
My part was to make the fan rotate when the smoke exceeds its threshold, to blow the smoke away. Smoke exceeds its threshold, the fan will rotate to blow the smoke away. The smoke sensor is connected to the ground and the 5 volts and pin E2. And the fan, the motor is connected to pin 3, the 5 volts and ground.
So my part was to do the force sensor, which is connected to the ground and to pin 12 in Arduino and to the LED. When the force sensor is pushed, the light should go on and the buzzer works, as you can see.
As you can see, this is our simulation of the fire alarm system. To sum up, these are the outputs, the LED, the buzzer, and the motor servo. And the inputs are the temperature sensor, the smoke detector, and the force sensor.
There's 2 cases that turns the system on. The first one is when the temperature sensor senses that the temperature increased. And in the second case, the system is turned on manually using the force sensor. And the values increases of the sensor readings here, the temperature, the smoke, and the force.